Let's settle this once and for all. What's the best exercise in the world?
This is the best exercise.
This is the best exercise. This is the best exercise.
This is the best exercise.
Hang on, how can these all be the best exercises? With so many types of exercises out there, it is easy for people at any level of their fitness journey to get confused.
I'm so confused!
So let's cut the BS and reveal the big 6 exercises that actually are the best to get you fitter and stronger.
Tell me.
Hi, I'm Stacey Jones, head coach at Body Smart Fitness. We are a team of women's weight loss experts, and to date we have helped over 3,000 women transform their fitness, nutrition and mindset. On average, our clients lose 5 to 10 pounds a month and keep it off for good. The 6 resistance exercises we're going to delve into today will help you increase your muscle mass, improve performance and enhance your quality of life. Does this sound too good to be true? Well, I'm going to tell you what these exercises are, why they're important and how you can use them to rocket you towards your goals. Now, before the big reveal, let me explain to you that these 6 exercises are compound movement patterns. So compound means using more than one muscle group at a time, and movement pattern means there are lots of variations to perform it. So you can choose your favorite variations, meaning that you're doing exercises you actually enjoy whilst getting a ton of benefits like boosting cardiovascular function, burning calories and improving your whole body coordination. So are you ready for this holy grail of exercise knowledge?
Tell me!
Exercise number 1 is the horizontal push. This compound movement trains the powerful muscle groups on the front of your upper body. This includes your pectorals, your deltoids, your serratus anterior, and even your triceps. Variations of this movement include a bench press with a barbell or dumbbells, an incline press, machine chest press, cable press, floor press, push-ups, and dips. On to exercise number 2, the vertical push. Variations of this movement will target your anterior deltoid, strengthen your rotator cuff muscles, and sculpt your shoulders. Vertical push exercises involve exerting force at an outward and upward angle. This improves the stability and maximal power output of your shoulders. Options include a barbell or dumbbell overhead press, a single arm resistance band press, an Arnold press, lateral raise, and a push press. Now we're rolling, let's look at exercise 3, the horizontal pull. These movements are great for your back and strengthen your posterior muscles that really help with good posture and mobility. Incorporating pulling exercises into your regime will also help to keep your push-pull ratio and your strength overall in balance. Horizontal pulls include the horizontal pull-up, cable row, TRX row, and chest-supported dumbbell row. Can you guess the next one? That's right, exercise number 4 is the vertical pull. These posterior movements work your back muscles through a big range of motion while strengthening your forearms, biceps, and rear delts. Vertical pulls are characterized by pulling resistance from the floor or overhead, whether that's with free weights, cables, a band, or your body weight. Exercises include a variety of pull-ups, including close grip, wide grip, and underhand grip, or a variety of pull downs with the same hand options using cables, bands, or machines. Nearly there. Exercise number 5 is the leg press. Leg pressing movements are going to work the front and back of your lower body, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, and gluteus maximus. There are endless benefits to strengthening your legs, including reduced joint pain, increased endurance, and better bone health. Leg exercises also require core stability, so they're going to put your abdominals to good use too. You can perform a leg pressing motion with squats, lunges, weighted step-ups, wall sits, and resistance machines. And finally, on to exercise number 6, the hip hinge. Your hips and their hinges are the bedrocks of your body. They help you with all sorts of movements, including the things we do the most, sitting and walking. Hip hinge exercises strengthen this important area, activate all of your body's muscles, and allow you to generate maximum power. Examples of these types of move include deadlift, kettlebell swings, hip thrusts, glute bridges, good mornings, cleans and snatches. So there we have it, the best 6 exercises in the world. These movements are going to target your entire body, and variations of each one can be done either at the gym or even at home with limited equipment. Once you've mastered your understanding of the big 6, you could hit them all in just 30 minutes twice a week for a super effective workout routine.
I could do that.
A combination of these exercises is going to give you so many benefits. Best of all, an improved quality of life, thanks to a stronger, healthier, and more functional body. I hope this video helped you to develop the best exercise regime for your goals. We'd love to hear your favourite variations of the Big Six, so drop us a comment below to share your top exercises, and remember to like and subscribe for more health and fitness tips.